Phoebe, she has never made slime. So we have to tell her how to make it. So we've got a massive PVA glue, shaving foam, and airwick. And paints. We've got pink, purple.
Lucy, if it don't come out anymore, it's cut off.
Right. So who wants to go first?
Not me.
Give an order.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the glue in first.
Let me pop it out.
What?
Then leave Poppy out.
Yeah, then leave Poppy out. Then Phoebe.
Just kidding.
Like that.
Oh,
That would be rough. Because you can use shape.
on that list.
Yeah.
Right, put about that much.
I know we won't get hardly any. A lot of this from.
Okay, I'll tell you when to stop. I'll hold it off.
Come on, Poppy, use them muscles that you think you have.
Oh God. Poppy, you need to like put it over the ball. There we go.
Right, whoa. Whoa! That's a bit too much.
Porridge for breakfast.
It looks like ice.
Right, we could add. Don't
I know
give
you
it
can
all.
get different seeds.
Right, I might have to. Right, so that's enough. And then Jocelyn. I think we might have. Joss, put the amount, like the same amount as Phoebe, and then I'm gonna add some more.
That's enough. Is it enough?
Maybe a little bit more.
One tiny little inch.
Okay, and I'm gonna. Oh, it's dripping.
No, Lucy, yours will.
Be going yellow.
Yeah, yours will probably be a lot bigger because yours is in a tighter cup.
No, it won't.
In the
It'll
bowl.
look a bigger. Come on, please. Can you
Yeah, that's a nice place. Smooth this.
Oh. Right. So next.
You gotta do it in the pot.
Yeah.
You don't have to.
Okay. So if we run out, then we can start using it.
Poppy!
What are you doing? Okay.
Oh, hello. Oh, next.
Because I didn't want Poppy to do it. No, I've already shaked it. No, don't put it so it's like upside down. No, don't.
Put it like this.
Oh, God.
Sorry.
That makes sense. Now do we make
No,
sense?
yeah.
Yeah, now mix. Okay. Okay, so
I know, but it's
then you mix until it's all nice.
all nice.
Okay,
All
and
nice
then
mixture.
Welcome
Okay.
to Lucy's instruction. How to mix it. Mix
okay,
it till it's
then
all
you
nice.
add the airwick. I don't know why I'm shaking it because you don't need to shake it.
It's raw right now, isn't it?
Okay.
Remember that? How I did. Just add a little. Oh, it went in my eyes. Excuse me, we can do it ourselves.
I know it's just like
It's getting in shape.
What does the airwick do?
Makes
it,
it shape.
it
actually makes it
activates
slime.
it. It activates it.
See? As you can This is like the thing that makes it slime.
Yeah. It's like it's called the activator. It's also called airwick.
Oh, thank you, Lucy.
Just in case you don't know how to do it properly.
No, it's probably better. I
I'm
probably
the
don't know.
slime expert, okay?
And me.
Jocelyn makes it really hard.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do!
I did once because it was tiny. I can't work with tiny. This is the third time we've made slime.
If you
This is
need,
my 100.
This is my first.
I know. This is mine like 10,000.
Yeah. This is my.
By the way, if you need it to
We
more,
need to make it really not sticky, or my mum will never let me bring it home.
I know.
Yours will
So
probably
you,
rock hard then.
it'll be more like a putty.
We can't do it, can we?
What?
Oh! Feels weird.
Okay, I don't know why I'm standing up. I can't make slime when I'm sat down.
Okay.
Right?
So that's why you're standing up. So you do know why.
Yeah.
I'm puffy.
Well, yeah, it's
We
fun.
can take some good put Lucy down later.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
You don't need a lot because yours is already activated. Or it
Mine's not.
Keep on needing. How do you activate it?
You
Right.
add
We
air
have to
wheel.
have strong hands.
Oh, and Justin has some hands.
Yeah, apparently I do.
I'm okay.
I don't want to put it on the table yet though.
No, don't. Oh, this is.
So where do you do your lives?
There. Or in my room. Whoa, mine's like done.
I think mine's activated.
Mine's
but it's
good.
still really stinky.
Yeah, mine's still a little. Oh, you need a bit more.
It's activated, but it's still really stinky.
Lucy, are we allowed to put it on the table?
My allows a bit more. Oh yeah, really activated.
Can I have a bit more? I need like the tightest end of it.
Yes, this is working. Mine's
Look.
really activated.
I think you really like that word, don't you?
No, but look, it's
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah. It's shaking.
That means that it's coming together.
and it isn't stick. Oh, I spoke too soon.
Lucy, it kind of fell out the bowl. It's fine.
Yeah, it'll be fine. We can clean.
Mine's still really sticky.
So fluffy.
I'm putting mine on the table.
Can I put
What's the
mine?
difference between like say
No.
butter slime and fluffy
No.
slime?
What's the slime?
Can I have some
Are
more?
you adding
Butter
slime
slime?
acts like butter?
Butter slime
Can I have some
can
more please?
Did you say you've got dry clay? Are we adding it?
you kind of use one, but don't add loads because it like really does already activate it.
Can I put it on my table? On my table.
Yeah. You've got loads.
Yeah, I didn't mean to do it.
Whoa, mine's already like
Or the cream,
really
or the
fluffy.
Or the cream. That's just shaving.
So,
Yes, it's amazing.
When do you add the colour then? Sorry.
when it's
Oh
all
wow,
when it's
Lucy, thank you.
When it's all sticky. What?
I put the airwick like that.
Come on, Jocelyn. Oh, there we go.
This is so
Give
fluffy.
me a chance to actually move it, Phoebe.
This
Oh,
is so
it's not
fluffy.
sticky.
Yours is dead hard.
Yeah, so is mine.
Mine's really
Oh, I
fluffy.
spoke too soon
Yeah,
again.
so is mine.
It's still really
Can you add a bit more air because it's sticky to me?
Okay. After Phoebe. Well, yours was quite sticky.
I've already got
I need what?
I've already got bits in it. Yeah, same.
Oh, so have I.
Lucy, I think I need some help.
Yeah. Look, it's not sticky. Whoa, yours is one hard. Wait, let me feel it.
I told you.
No, it's alright. It's
Mine's sticky.
a little bit hard.
Mine's
Yours is fine, it's not even sticky
Oh,
anymore.
but it's like sticky. It is leaving marks. Look, my mum won't let me have it if it's like that.
Oh. Have you got
What
one hand?
size? It's,
Oh.
can you add this more?
She won't let me have it if it's all sticky to me like that.
Then make it really unsticky and keep on adding loads of it.
How do you make it really unsticky?
Oh
By
my
adding
God.
it.
But use it and add airway.
Yeah, wait.
Whatever.
Topper lamb.
I was thinking of doing it tonight, but I think I might actually do these instead.
Poppy, you've got loads.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
Sorry, if you add a bit more, please.
That needs to be deleted.
Why has she got like? Oh, was it because of all her glue?
What?
Did she add a lot of glue? Yes. Didn't mean to. I'm only making one.
Are you selling this?
No.
By the way, Phoebe, if you aren't allowed to take it home, we're either going to split it or we're going to sell it for you and give you the money.
Yeah, but she's if. What do you mean? Like you'll sell it and she'll buy it? What? No, or she'll sell it and we'll buy it.
No,
No.
so you sell it and I'll get the money.
Yeah.
I sell it for £25.
It depends how big it is. Doesn't it? Yeah, because yours is.
Yeah, on the
tiny.
quality.
But yours is then good quality.
It's fine.
Anyway, it's fine if I get mine on my t-shirt. 'cause it's fine.
so far. Can we add the paint now?
No, mine's dead sticky.
Same here.
So is mine's alright. Can I add some more?
Yeah. Why do you have to ask me? Just want to.
Excuse me!
I'm gonna take this one.
Me too.
Oh, it's getting better. It's not like
Yours is already good, Phoebe. Let me feel it.
it can't stick to my fingers or my mum won't let me have it.
You said that about this. Why? Is it because it will get all over?
Yeah, she doesn't like me having it, so she won't let me have it if it's like all.
Can't remember your thing.
That is tiny.
Oh, I think it's alright now. Like,
Reminds me of marshmallow. Marshmallow.
I don't know what colour.
I can see why people
And
want it.
I'm having this. I'm having the gold.
I might just keep mine white.
Phoebe, do you like this one?
What do you mean?
Like you said that you touched slime with Grace, and you didn't like it.
Yeah, because hers was silver and it dyed my hand silver.
You said it was pink.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Oh, wait, so when you edit it, what are you going to do then?
Take it shorter.
Gonna
No,
make
I
it.
mean after editing it.
Oh, we're gonna post it on YouTube.
Are you alright with that?
Yeah?
You just looked really shocked.
No,
You're like,
I didn't realise you. We're going to be your business managers and we're going to like promote you. Just be like, hello everybody, welcome to this channel. This is like the best channel in the whole world. And everybody just come watch.
We got like 2,000 views on one video.
yeah,
What
we'll show you.
Not my legs.
It was not my legs challenge. We got like 2,000 and something views. I watched that one.
Yeah, keep on watching it.
Yeah, I watch it every day. I'm gonna add colour now.
I think I'm going to try and make like a purpley colour.
Should I? Oh no, it's a bit sticky.
It's so alright. I'm keeping mine white.
I think mine's gonna turn out red. I think mine's gonna turn out
Oh, if you
yellow.
want to edit it. Keep it white.
£1.50.
Poppy, you seriously need... What? Right, go and wash your hands and use earwick. Oh my god.
It's fine, I can just do that.
Put earwick on it and then go like this.
I love this colour.
But then it'll stick to me.
It's actually, now you've got earwick on it, you need to go like that.
No, you need to like do this with it so that it becomes, you knead it in.
People do it fast like this.
What colour are you making yours, Joss?
White.
Why?
Because I've already got all these colours. Wait, who wanted red?
No one.
I was just looking at Phoebe using that red as well. That's red, yeah.
Can you show me how you use it? You just squirt it. Not to do it.
And a little bit more.
Oh, you haven't taken the lid off.
No, you have to take the lid off. That's the lid. You donut. Oh no, Poppy's got the lid in her hand. It's probably just a bit blocked. It's alright.
You probably need that much.
Oh my gosh, it's actually going gold.
So, Lucy's dyed hers pink.
Well, if Poppy's goes gold, you can see if it works gold or